A nature walk to Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is located in the capital city, New Delhi. It was opened on 24th of December 1986. The structure is made up of pure white marble and it is built in the shape of lotus flower. The architect chose the lotus as a symbol which is common to Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Islam. People from the different religions are free to visit the temple and pray or meditate. Around the blooming petals, there are 9 pools of water which light up in the natural light. Since all the religions are welcome to worship here, it is also referred to as the House of Unity or Oneness of Humanity and Religion. It also displays in symbol and action the unity of mankind. It has a central prayer hall which can accommodate about 2,500 people at a time. The overall effect is that of a floating lotus flower on the verge of blooming and surrounded by its leaf. I hope you enjoyed the nature walk to the Lotus Temple.